Jai Hind everyone. I am Vijay Lakshmi Jaswal, your SST teacher, and I welcome to all of you in my SST class. Students, everybody take out your social invention book. Students, everybody open page number 164. Today I will explain first chapter of civics. Chapter name is democracy, means Praja Tantra. Okay students, let's start the chapter now. The body that provides us with all the services like building of roads, maintenance of the street lights, provides water and electricity to all houses, operates the public buses and trains, etc. Public pays taxes so that it can provide us with these services. Is called the गवर्नमेंट. तो स्टूडेंट ये तो क्लियर हो गया. वो बॉडी जो हमें सारी सुविधाएं प्रदान करती हैं, जैसे कि मेंटेनेंस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, लाइट, रोड्स, बसेस, ट्रेन्स, ये सारी सुविधाएं जो कि हम लेते हैं, इसके बदले में हम सभी सरकार को टैक्स देते हैं, तो उसे हम गवर्नमेंट बोलते हैं, यानी कि सरकार. द गवर्नमेंट इज द बॉडी डेट गवर्न्स और administer a political unit like a country or state. Government also makes laws, settle disputes, maintain security, ensure public order and discipline. There are different types of governments like monarchies, oligarchies, dictatorships, democracy, etc. Democracy is the most popular type of government in the modern world. More than half of the new-born independent states are democratic. The expansion of democracy has been smooth and it has become global in the contemporary world. Democracy is most popular and an ideal form of government. The concept of democracy as understood today did not emerge in a single day. It looks ages and there were many historical junctures before democracy emerged in the contemporary society. So students, हमने बहुत तरह की गवर्नमेंट के बारे में सुना होगा. राजतंत्र, प्रजातंत्र, तानाशाही वाले तंत्र, बहुत सब देखा, लेकिन डेमोक्रेसी उसमें सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट और सबसे बेस्ट है. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज एमर्जेंस ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी. History of modern democracy commences with the Glorious Revolution of 1688 in England. This revolution led to the formation of constitutional form of government based on the rule of law. About 100 years later, in 1776, the people of America revolted against the existing system, which resulted in establishment of a democratic government. दिस रिवॉल्यूशन इज कॉल्ड अमेरिकन वॉर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस, यानी कि इस क्रांति के बाद अमेरिका में डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट बनी. 1 decade later in 1789, the people of France also revolted and gave the ideas of liberty, equality and fraternity to the word of democracy. तो उसके बाद बच्चों 1789 में फ्रांस ने भी इसे एक्सेप्ट किया. द ब्रिटिश कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बिकेम अ सोर्स ऑफ इंस्पिरेशन फॉर मेनी न्यू स्टेट्स डेट बिकेम फ्री फ्रॉम द क्लच ऑफ फॉरेन रूल. और ऐसा देखकर और भी बहुत सारे कंट्रीज़ जो कि ब्रिटिश रूल से जिन्होंने अपने देश को आज़ाद किया था, उन्हें भी डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट बनाने के लिए आगे के लिए प्रेरणा मिली. Most of these states that attained freedom adopted democracy as the form of government. Democracy is not a new concept. Instead, it had been a form of government in ancient times as well. The word democracy itself originated in the Greek city-states. The Greeks had a direct democracy. In the medieval period also, many of the kings in India worked as the representative of the people. The king Gopala of Pala and the Pal dynasty of Bengal was one such elected king. Even in ancient India, the Lichvi kingdom was a democratic setup. So students, आप देख सकते हो कि एंशियंट टाइम में भी इस डेमोक्रेसी को मान्यता प्राप्त थी और लोग इसे एक्सेप्ट करते थे. तो ये कोई नया शब्द नहीं है. India saw many ups and downs during the 19th and 20th century. In 1991, when the USSR disintegrated, many of the newly emerging states adopted democracy as a form of governance. Democracy is the first and foremost choice of every nation and citizens all over the world. Today, most of the countries of the world have adopted democracy as the form of government. तो स्टूडेंट्स, डेमोक्रेसी इतनी ज़्यादा पॉपुलर हो चुकी है आज पूरे वर्ल्ड में भी कि ज़्यादातर हमारे देश के, विश्व के ज़्यादातर देश डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट को एक्सेप्ट करते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज इक्वेलिटी. Equality is the most important and an integral feature of a true democracy. Irrespective of one's qualification, every person has been given the right to vote and basis of universal adult franchise in a democracy. तो डेमोक्रेसी में सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट टर्म जो है इक्वलिटी यानी कि एकता का है, सबको समान समझने का. इसी कारण यूनिवर्सल एडल्ट फ्रेंचाइजी के थ्रू जितने भी लोग 18 ईयर्स के हैं उनको वोट देने का अधिकार दिया गया है. ईच वोट रिप्रेजेंट्स द डिग्निटी एंड इक्वलिटी ऑफ ईच सिटीजन ऑफ ए डेमोक्रेसी. द राइट टू वोट shows that in democracy people are supreme. This is called political equality. But it alone is not sufficient. There should be equality in other aspects of life as well. All the citizens should have equal opportunity to develop and prosper in their life. However, each person do not have same socio-economic status as it varies according to the capability of an individual. In fact, there are certain social practices in our country which paves the way for inequality among certain groups of people, and they become victims of prejudice. The democratic governments always make effort to create the conditions that could ensure the welfare of the disadvantaged section in the society. Even the constitution and laws within aim at ending marginalization of people of some communities in particular.